welcome into another woolly review. Today we're doing King Cole Opium. Now the cheapest place that I found this is for £3.79 on SMD Knitting. As always with the reviews, all details that I don't mention here, that the specs and where to buy, they're all just in the top of the description down below. Now this is 100 grams and it's in the shade Cornflower, and it really is a cornflower colour, so spot on. 54% cotton, 42% premium acrylic and 4% Polymide. Approximately 273 yards or 250 metres, approximately. So let's give this a go. So to start with, the obvious, apart from it being boucle, is it's roving. Well, I don't know if you class that as roving or not. I would, because you've got the different thicknesses. You've got the thick, then you've got the thin. But it isn't roving as in it's naturally occurring. But can I find the end? There it is. Let's give it a go. Using my custom made hook by Jelena. Her details are down below as well. Cutlery Designs over on Etsy. Now it recommends that you use a 6mm hook, and that's what I'm using. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that feels horrible. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 9. Oh, that feels nice. 10, 11, 12. Oh, it feels horrible. 12. 13. We'll do 14 and then we'll do single crochets. Going into this thin bumpy bit, that hurts between the fingers. That is not the nicest feeling on this planet. It really isn't. Okay, so I've got one there. I am well aware that this could well be a lot better with knitting than with crochet, but I'm here as a crocheter, not a knitter, and so I'm giving you the deets on the crochet side of things. I mean, I have no idea where those stitches are. Like, wow, I don't know. Wow. I will try and work out what I'm doing and when I'm doing it and how, but nothing is guaranteed right now. Oh my gosh, I can't even. I think a 6 might be pushing it a little bit. I can definitely understand with the soft, thick bit. That is really nice and soft. It really is nice. I can understand it for that bit, but honestly, I think I'd take it down as a hook size if I was going to use this. Now, this came in a mystery box that I got either at the start of this year or end of last year. I can't remember which one. I hadn't come across it before, but I was like, oh, I like it. Oh, it's just up my alley. Yeah, maybe I was speaking a little bit too hastily. Maybe. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be able to get a full swatch out of this. So I apologise immediately. There is no stretch in there whatsoever. I mean, this is going to have a heck of a nice drape on it. But that's if you can actually work it up into a project. And I know people have done. I know people do. Do. But, okay, let's see if I can do some half doubles. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I'm going to try. There's one. It's finding the stitches. I think that's the difficulty with this. It's okay, now where's the stitch? Where am I supposed to go? Where's the top of the stitch? That's a little bit on the awkward side. I don't know if it's going to get better as it's worked up, but this is why we're giving it a go. But like I said, when I saw this, I was like, oh, that is so up my alley. Oh, I love it. Brilliant. Boucle as well. I love boucle. Okay. Now I get into the awkward bit that I don't know where what is what. I think I've got a couple of these skeins. 2 or 3 maybe. And up to now I haven't had anything come to me and say, you need to make this with it. And right now I'm thinking, what on earth can you make with it? And yes, I'm sure if I go to Uncle Googs will fill me in with what people have made with it. I'm hoping that's the end. It's all guesswork though. Hang on. Wow, is this guesswork? Go into those two? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, one more. We'll do double crochets. I'm not going to do 2 rows of each like normal. I'll just do 1 because it is awkward. And the sooner I can stop using this, the better. I wonder what review this is going to have. Oops. What did I do? What did I do? I don't know what I did do. Yeah, when you've got that running through your fingers, that's harsh. That feels nasty. It's something that I can very much understand you getting a blister from crocheting just because of that thin bit going through your hands, because not only is it boucle, so you've got the bumps, but it is harsh. The soft bits really are lovely, soft, silky, but those thin bits, plastic is plastic is plastic. So I suppose as you work with it, yes, it makes it easier to know where the stitches are. It's a little bit awkward when you're going from the thick to the thin. Okay, I think that's the last stitch. I'm not 100% sure if it is, but we're going to go with that's the last stitch. Okay, so it's definitely interesting. I'll give it that. It certainly, ooh, the drape. It certainly is a lovely light fabric. It's something that, yes, I suppose you could make a wearable with it, but it'll be one that you've got something underneath, of course. I wouldn't want it next to my skin for a long time. Again, this little bit, the thinness of that, yeah, no. If it was like a poncho, maybe, but not direct on the skin for a long time. Okay, so let's do a frog and see what happens. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It needs a little bit of a helping hand. I daren't do this fast. Even though I normally do a fast and a slow frog, I daren't do this fast. Oh dear. And there. Majorly helping hand. And again. Wow. Okay. So there's not exactly a lot of kinking on the pure plastic bit, but there definitely is on the soft. This is definitely a yarn. This is going to take some taste. You know, it's going to take somebody with this type of taste to use it. Again, it probably works up better in knitting than with crochet. They don't recommend the hook, but they do say that the needles are 6. So what am I going to give King Cole Opium? Would I turn it down? No. Would I be really annoyed if that were the only thing in the shop and, well, it'd have to do because there is nothing else that I can grab? Yes. I'm going to give it a 2. I'm sorry, King Cole. Opium just ain't for me. I mean, it's not a 1. It's a 2. It gets a 2 because it is nice and soft. On the soft silky bits, it is really, really nice. As it's working up, it seems like it's easier to find your stitches, so it should make things easier, and it's got a lovely drape on it, and that's why it pushed it to a 2. But I'm sorry, I can't take it further than that. It's just what it is. Anyway, if this was any help whatsoever, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and maybe press that big red button and subscribe. Also down below, underneath all of the details for the Opium down in the description, there's also, of course, details on Hanky markers. Woo! Over 400 colours. Anyway, take care. See you later. Bye-bye.